I'm going to show you my exact weekly homeschool setup. Not the Pinterest version, not the idealized template, the real one, with the appointment that moved, the Tuesday that became a flex day, and the week that's still one. A working week doesn't go perfectly. It goes predictably enough to absorb what doesn't. Today, I'm walking you through one specific week, day by day, so you can see what the calm homeschool method looks like when it meets actual life. Every Sunday, I spend about 10 minutes on the week. I look at the calendar, I label the days, I set Monday's materials out. That's it. The week is already designed before Monday arrives. Let me show you what that week actually looks like. Sunday evening is 10 minutes. I open the planner. I check next week's calendar. Tuesday has our reoccurring commitment, so Tuesday is automatically a flex day. That makes Wednesday a heavy day to balance it. Monday and Thursday are light and heavy depending on the week. Friday is always light. H, flex, H, L, L. 5 letters. The week has a shape. Then I set out Monday's materials. 1 sentence on a sticky note. Done. Here's the week I'm going to walk you through. Heavy Monday, flex Tuesday. That's the reoccurring commitment day. Heavy Wednesday, light Thursday, light Friday. Every day has an anchor. Every day has a clear expectation. This is not the beautiful version. This is the version we actually ran. Monday is a heavy day. All 3 blocks. The morning starts with the cornerstone block, reading and math, already set out from Sunday. No decision, no wandering. The first task is visible before breakfast is cleared. After a break, the curiosity block runs. This week it was a science project, something hands-on, exploratory, 60 minutes. Clarity block, books shelved, 1 win named. Wednesday's materials noted, school done by noon. A heavy day has all 3 blocks, cornerstone, curiosity, and clarity. It's the most demanding day, and the one where the richest learning happens. Monday is always a heavy day because Monday's energy is the freshest. The week's most important work goes when the week's most available attention is there. Tuesday is the flex day. This week it was the library morning plus an appointment that moved from last week. 2 things on a flex day. Normally that would feel like too much. But because Tuesday was already labeled flex, neither was disrupting a heavy day plan. The appointment didn't wreck the week. It landed exactly where the week had room for it. Interruptions don't derail a calm week. They land on the day that was designed to hold them. A flex day isn't empty time. It's protected capacity. The appointment found its slot before it arrived. That's the difference between a system and a hope. Wednesday is heavy, the same 3 blocks as Monday. This week it was the best day of the week. Not because anything special happened, because the routine ran without interruption. Cornerstone in the morning, curiosity in the middle, history and drawing, clarity to close. Wednesday is where we often go deep on the curiosity block because the week's momentum is already built. And if you have time during your morning break, I release a new video every Wednesday at 9 a.m. Eastern, and I'm in the comments for 30 minutes after each one posts. Come let me know how your week is going. Thursday is a light day, cornerstone only, math and reading. Short counts. By Thursday, everyone has given a lot. The light day isn't a compromise, it's a decision. 30 minutes of focused cornerstone, a quick clarity close. School done before 10 a.m. The rest of Thursday belongs to rest. Friday is always light. a short cornerstone, books on the shelf, then the 15-minute Friday setup. Set a timer. Do not go over 15 minutes. Scan next week's calendar. Are there any appointments? Which day becomes flex? Label the days. Heavy, light, flex. No details yet, just the shape. Set out Monday's materials. Write one sentence. Timer ends. Done. Monday already has a head start. The Friday setup is the thing that makes the whole system sustainable. Not because it takes long, because it closes the week with intention. The week that ends in Friday's setup doesn't restart on Monday. It continues. This checklist is from the Weekly Rhythm Planner, the full structured version of everything I've been using this week. I'll share more about that in a moment. Here's what the week actually produced. Math, 5 times. Reading, 5 times. Science project, completed. History, 2 sessions. The appointment didn't wreck anything. Tuesday absorbed it. The MVW was met. Not a perfect week, a minimum viable week that ran heavy days and kept the minimum on the light days. That's what a working week looks like from the inside. A calm week isn't a week where everything went right. It's a week where everything that went wrong had somewhere to land. That's the whole system. Everything I've shown you this video, the day type labels, the anchor map, the Friday setup checklist, the MVW tracker, that's all inside the Weekly Rhythm Planner. It's the structured, fillable version of the weekly system. The planner walks you through building your own version of what you just watched. Your anchors, your week type, your day labels, your Friday setup. The link is in the description, or scan this QR code. And if you're new to the channel and haven't built your daily rhythm yet, the Daily Rhythm Builder is the day layer, and the Weekly Rhythm Planner is the week layer. Both use the same 3-block system. Both make the other one work better. Your week doesn't have to be perfect. It has to be designed. That's the difference between a week that collapses and a week that holds. You've now seen a real week. Not the template, the lived version. What happens when you want to do this not just for 1 week, but for a whole year? How do you keep the rhythm going through seasons that change, through months when life gets heavy, through the whole arc of a homeschool year? That's what the next video is about. It's called How to Stay Consistent All Year, and it's the big picture version of everything we've been building. That's on your screen right now.